Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 5 of our prelims plan 2026. Our Telegram channel name is UPSC Plan DKV. You can find all the PDFs and the relevant data in this channel. Now, please watch our first video for understanding about the plan of action to clear prelims 2026, and the video name will be this. Now, if at all you observe that video, our January month target is to complete the static subjects of polity, economics, and geography along with July month current affairs plus PYQs. If you see that video, you'll understand the plan of action. Now, in our yesterday's video, we have set the target to complete the polity part of executive, which includes both state and union. So here we have seen we need to cover about president, vice president, prime minister, council of minister, attorney general of India, isn't it? Along with the state executive, we need to complete governor. Along with governor, we also need to complete chief minister, council of ministers of state, assembly, and attorney general of state. So if you observe closely, the functions of both president and governor, they will be similar to each other. So if you read president carefully, you'll also get half of governor's functions. And the similar way, the PM and CM and the Council of Ministers of both Union and State, and the Attorney General of India and the Attorney General of State. So, if at all you observe, so yesterday, if you read clearly, by comparing with respect to Union Executive, you can also complete State Executive simultaneously with a minimal changes. Okay, now what is the time taken for me to complete this? For Union Executive, it took me around 2 hours to complete whole president, vice president, council of minister, prime minister, and everything. It's like a revision for me. So I have completed in 2 hours. Maybe for a newcomer, it might take 3 to 4 hours. But trust me, if you have completed union executive at a stretch, you can read state executive at a very easy go. Got it? So on an average, both for state and union, you will be taking around 4 hours of time easily. Okay, and we have completed 2016 PYQ yesterday, so I'm just revising it. Okay, where I have done the mistakes, number one, and what type of questions I have made wrong, number two. I'll discuss 2016 PYQ. I'll discuss in detail someday, but not within these 3 to 4 days. Maybe after January 10th, we will discuss. We will release that video, but I urge you to complete 2016 PYQ if there is any incomplete. Got it? This is yesterday's target only. Now, July month magazine should be completed at any cost. You have to revise it. Okay. I'll also release a video regarding how to cover the entire monthly magazine in 2 to 3 days. Okay. Very soon I'll release that video. You'll understand how to complete in 2 to 3 days. So this is a yesterday target. I hope everybody completed it. It took me about 2 hours to complete the remaining portion, about 30% of the magazine. And 2016 revision, it took me around 1.5 hour to understand, like, what type of questions was given, to understand the language of the question. Got it? So, time taken we have discussed. Now, did I recall at night? Yes, I did recall at night. And what about you? Did you recall? If the answer is yes, that's good. And if the answer is no, no, that's bad. You have to start doing recalling before you sleep. Okay. Now, today's target. So, today's date is 6th January 2026. So, I'm here to give you a new target today. Complete the legislature. Okay. Legislature of both union and also state. When you're reading executive of union, the state executive part is similar, right? In a similar way, when you're reading union legislature, I mean, like when you're reading about Lok Sabha, when you're reading about Rajya Sabha, when you're reading about, Parliament, the similar structure you'll also observe in state state legislatures. You'll also see upper house, you'll also see lower house here. Of course, lower house for states will be in some states only for 6 states. But having said that, the structure, it looks similar. There you read about MPs, here you read about MLAs. Okay, so the structure looks similar, though it sounds a bit lengthier because there is some chapter called Parliament in legislature. Parliament is a huge, is a big topic. It is about 40 to 42 pages, isn't it? It's not easy to read at one go, so it will take a lot of time. So I suggest you to read it all at once. Okay, you just read all at once. We'll try to understand it slowly. Okay. Again, if you have time, do some 2016 revision. And yesterday we did not have any schedule for CSAT, right? So today you have to complete number system at least 50%. Okay, it's like you have to complete at least LCM, HCF factors, these everything. Got it? Now again, try to note down the time taken and try to revise before you sleep. Okay, of course pending will be there for sure today because parliament is a huge topic, right? So pending will be there for sure. We'll have time to complete it soon. Maybe 8th or 9th we'll complete it. We'll have a leisure time there, so before 10th we can complete polity. Don't worry. That's it for today. We'll meet again on tomorrow's video, and all the best. Have a nice day.